Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to log in your account on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your iPad, your laptop, your mobile device, it can be Android or iOS, you can just go ahead and watch this tutorial because the process is still the same. Okay? So now let's just get started with the tutorial. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. Or if you are using the Roblox application, just go ahead and launch that. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on the login button right here at the upper right corner of your screen. And by the way, if you want to know how to create a new account here on Roblox, just go ahead and comment on the comment section below so that I can create a new tutorial for that one. Okay? So now here, once you see this username slash email slash phone text box, just go ahead and type your username on this, okay? Or you can type your email or phone number, okay? So let me just go ahead and type my username. So as you can see, I have my username as well as my password right here. That is because I saved my information on Google Chrome. Okay. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and type your password. Okay. So click on login. So now, as you can see, I already logged in my account. Okay. So that is how you log in your account on Roblox. So I'm just gonna show you on how to save your information. So I'm sorry, let me just go ahead and log out my account. So if you want to save your information, just like mine, like this one, so that you can just go ahead and simply click on login whenever you want to play Roblox, okay? So once you're in login site or part, you just need to click here, the key icon at the upper part of your screen. And then here you can just go ahead and click on the save password, and that will automatically save your informations on your Google Chrome. Okay, so that's it. That is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.